Hi everyone, it's Dimitri from SerpApi. Welcome to our second episode of Ask SerpApi. So we got a question in the YouTube comments that goes something like this. How to extract only specific elements from the JSON URL? For example, first and the second title from organic results. The question is quite old but might be still relevant. Well, if you're on the Linux, it's fairly easy thanks to JQ, which is a command line JSON processor. To find JSON URL, head over to the SerpApi Playground and click on the Export to Code Playground feature. There you'll see JSON URL option. From there we need to open your terminal, call curl and pass copied URL in a single or double quotes, and finally call JQ and access return JSON data by the curl. Accessing data is fairly easy. Firstly, we need to access organic results array, then access first results, which is represented by a digit value inside the square brackets. 0 means first result, 1 means second result, and so on. And finally, we access title or position, or whatever you want to access. A handy addition would be to use SerpApi Playground tools, which is called Show JSON Path, which will show you the JSON path you need to call with JQ. If you have any questions about SerpApi pipelines or processes, drop us a comment in the comments section, or ask us a question on Twitter with the Ask SerpApi hashtag, or reach out to us on Intercom.